Hello and welcome to this presentation on the GCSE pathways at Marsham High School. My name's Ollie Mackett, Deputy Head. So this presentation is going to cover our core curriculum, the pathway subjects and an overview of the process. In terms of our core curriculum, students will study English language, English literature, maths, sciences, PSHCE including religious studies and core PE. They will then also choose their pathway subjects. On Tuesday the 5th of March, Year 9 students had this process launched in Assembly. There's a wealth of information to support the choosing of these subjects. There's a pathways booklet that's been handed out by the tutor, which is also available on the website, along with videos of subject presentations. Students can then explore their choices with their subject teachers, with you at home, and with myself, Mr. Mackett or Mr. Lucas. There's also been a letter sent to your home addressed to the child to select their pathway choices. From Monday the 11th of March, students will input their choice using the Sims app. We then model and check the curriculum and offer letters are published, usually in May or June in the summer term. Just to recap some of the support available to guide you. We have the Pathways booklet, again that's been handed in paper copy to the students and on our website. We have a video available for every subject. On our website we have Unifrog, which students are familiar with. And of course there's lots of people that can help too, including teachers, tutors, pastoral and SEND staff and family as well. Just some general guidance to be aware of. For our courses there are limits for the number of places on many of the courses. And some courses will not run if there are not enough people interested in doing them. Reserves are also really important. When those two reserves are selected, they need to be realistic selections. If a subject has too many students, we use the rank order and our knowledge of the student to help decide which students can take which subject. Just some top tips: follow subjects that you enjoy. Follow subjects that you'll stick to it for all of Key Stage 4. It could be as well subjects which may lead to a career that you're interested in. Make sure you spoke to the subject teachers, check your reports as well. And also some key do nots. Don't follow subjects just because friends have followed that subject. Don't do it because you think it'll be easy. None of the subjects are easy. Don't follow a subject because you like the teacher, and don't follow a subject where you're currently not engaging or participating effectively. So just a quick overview of it is identify the subjects, have two reserves, write these on the letter that you've been sent, and then the Sims option portal, the students will be shown how to use these in computer science lessons. And finally, just to cover the key dates, so from Monday 11th of March, the options are input on during the computer science lessons. Wednesday the 27th of March, Year 9 reports are published. We have a parents' evening on Thursday the 18th of April, and if there are any changes after putting in their selections in the computer science lessons, the final deadline for that is Thursday the 25th of April. Thank you very much.